Hi guys, is your child snoring repeatedly or breathing through the mouth or having lack of sleep? Then they could be suffering from a condition called adenoiditis. Adenoids are tissues that grow behind your nose and they usually disappear by the age of 14. They usually get inflamed due to viral or bacterial infections. You can always use some home remedies to treat this condition like regular sinus irrigation, saltwater gargling, and steam inhalation. In case you find that the condition is not being controlled by any of these, don't hesitate to contact your ENT doctor.